Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a Valentine's Day wand, or it could be like an Instagram photo prop. So we're gonna make that with the Cricut today, and I'm going to be using just some glitter that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to be using some felt. The thing with the Cricut Explore 2 is that unlike the Maker, it's not made for cutting felt. So if you're going to use felt without having to put some kind of stabilizer on it, you can use this kind of hard felt that Hobby Lobby has. It comes in the bigger rectangles. So this is like a firm felt, so it will cut better on your Cricut Explorer. And then I also got some, they're just little wooden sticks that I also got at Hobby Lobby, and that's going to be used to put the wand on. We're going to be doing hearts for Valentine's Day, but you could do any shape that you want to. You can put like pillow stuffing if you want like a 3D type of thing. We're just going to cut two pieces together and glue them together. I'm not going to stuff them with the pillow stuffing, but that is an option. You're also going to need hot glue. I use Gorilla Glue because it's stronger, but you could use anything for this. Let's go over to the Cricut. So we're going to do the glitter first. I forgot to also mention, you're gonna need painter's tape. And I would recommend that you use the strong grip mat. I don't have a strong grip mat that is still sticky, so I'm just going to use just a regular standard mat. is it for today's video. Very simple, very easy, very cute little wands. This is how they turned out. And so these are perfect for if you want to take little Valentine's pictures, or if you just want to give them in your Valentine's basket, if you're giving your kids Valentine's Day baskets. You could make different shapes. Like I said, I just did mine for Valentine's Day, but you could do stars, anything, any shape. You could do them for birthdays. You could do emoji ones for a birthday party. My daughter had an emoji birthday party, and they had little things like this to take pictures at the little photo booth. So you could do photo booth little wands. So there's a ton you could do with this. And like I said, the stiffer felt at Hobby Lobby is perfect to cut on the Cricut Explore 2. Like you saw in the video, it just cut right through. My settings that I used for the felt was felt wool bonded, and I just use the default pressure setting, and I use the fine point blade, just the regular fine point blade, no deep cut blade. For the glitter, I used I believe it was glitter paper, I think it's called, or glitter cardstock is what I used. So the setting for this is glitter cardstock, and then I used more pressure, not the default pressure, but the more pressure, and just the regular fine cut blade. So you don't even have to buy a special blade for these projects. You can just use your regular Cricut blades. I would maybe get a blade just for cutting things like this because it tends to wear the blade out faster, but other than that, you can do it with a regular blade. You don't have to get your deep cut blade. Very simple, very easy project. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys, once again on the Cricut, how to make a little Valentine's garland to go with these. So that would complete your little Instagram photo shoot for Valentine's Day or whatever holiday, you know, birthday, whatever. So that's going to be Friday's video. So that's going to be part 2 of this. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the button and hit subscribe so that you can be notified every time I do a new video. Tuesdays and Fridays are my video days. And like I said, part 2 of this will be a little heart garland to go with these. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I do my video on Friday, you can see how to make the heart garland. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.